we are finally able to see something like this.
Yeah, it does seem like a scene from a sci-fi show. And
Earlier in the days when AI video generation got all the hype, this is how the videos used to look, and this was Will Smith eating pasta. Look at how distorted and how random it is. And this is the video from January 4th. You see this looks decent, but the one that I just showed you, it's way too good. You see, this is on January 4th, made by Dexerto. And let me take you to what we have right now. And thanks to Google Veo 3, we are finally able to see something like this. And the interesting part is that Veo 3 is also generating sounds and background sound effects and also speech as well. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a few examples of what Google Veo 3 has made. So right now it's only available within the US, and I'm not in the US, so I'll just make do with what people have generated, and I'll show you everything what it is capable of. So this post is from Mark, a creator on X. You can see his Twitter handle over here, and he actually took this video from PJ Ace. So he's also a filmmaker. They made uh, this actually pharmaceutical ad. Let me just show you how it is like.
Everything from my depression. Nothing worked.
Every day felt heavy. I felt trapped.
Then I tried Puppermin.
Our prescription helps your body secrete a special pheromone that attracts puppies. I took the pill before bed, and when I woke up, there he was, the love of my life.
The pill does not target depression directly, but we've found that it's really difficult to be depressed when cute dogs show up at your doorstep. I used to feel so empty, but now I feel joy and mild concern how a pee stain got on the ceiling.
Okay guys, so what I need to show you here is the Indian accent, which I think it got perfect. Look at this generation of this guy, presumably from Asia, and see.
Special pheromone that attracts puppies.
See the accent, it got it very right. Now the next good example is of a 90s sitcom, and this example is made by theoretically media, this account, and let me just show you.
so I have seen this video before, and actually it's capturing the vibe of a 90s sitcom, and just have a look at it. You will be amazed.
So this is an AI video about nothing?
It's about nothing. Who would watch a video about nothing?
Now this next one is a wizard being interviewed on the news, and it's by Magnus Wazir. Okay, let's see.
True. When I made that comment, I wasn't saying all kobolds are bad and stinky, just the ones from Goblin Town. And it's true. It's true.
Wow. Google Veo 3 has just surprised me a lot. Now this one is an example of a doggy running towards the ice cream man. Okay, so this is a POV video, and the sound effects and the vibe of all this and how the camera movement is, it's actually quite perfect, I would say. I'm surprised. The capabilities of Veo 3, they are just mind-blowing, and this just tells the general direction we are headed towards, and the leaps we are taking in AI video generation, AI image generation. It's just so mind-blowing. Now this is a show about a lizard rock star.
Cold blood!
Well, you know, on my home planet, no one cares. But on Earth, I'm a rock star. It's awesome.
Alpha, Alpha, Alpha! Centauri!
You humans are so funny!
They even gave me an advertising deal for lemonade.
Cold blood!
Oh, yeah. It's the drink of desert kings and downtown freaks. K-U-T!
This was quite interesting. Although there, where they had a lot of people, there was a distortion. Check this out over here. So still, I think Veo 3 did a very good job at this. Now this one would be interesting, a scene from a sci-fi show, I think I have to show you this. Yeah, it does seem like a scene from a sci-fi show, and if the storyline and the storyboard are developed in a good way, it could actually make a very good AI short film. So, well, there's a lot of examples for stuff made with Google Veo 3, and I asked Google Gemini, and it's telling me that anyone who's looking to get this, they will have to have the Google AI Ultra plan. And right now, Google Veo 3 is primarily available to the users in US through Google AI's Ultra plan, which costs around $250 per month. Now, guys, I wish I could have tried this by myself, but well, these most of these updates they roll out from the US and gradually to the rest of the globe. So, well, we'll be looking forward to seeing when we get access. But still, I think that this update amazed me, and let me know down in the comments what you think of Google's Veo 3's video generation capabilities, especially with these sound effects and the voices that it's also generating. Do you think are they coherent, and do they match the vibe of the video, or do you think there's a lot more still for Google Veo to cover? So I'll look forward to discuss all this with you down in the comments. And if you watch the video till here, right now on your screen you will be seeing two videos that might be of interest to you. So we'll see each other in either one of those. Thank you so much. Bye. Stay blessed.